everyone, this is the KitchenAid 2-speed hand blender, or also called an immersion blender. It'll come packed up like this in your box, and it comes with all kinds of goodies. So it has a fixed blending arm with an S blade all attached. This is stainless steel, dishwasher safe, so you don't have to worry about putting on different heads. It's all attached, nice, handy, and simple. And then it comes with this 3-cup blending jar that also has a lid that goes on top and a non-slip grip on the bottom. And it also has some handy measuring increments along the side of the jar. You're going to get this patented pan guard that snaps onto the bottom of the bell blade there, and this helps protect your cookware, so especially your non-stick cookware. That's super handy, and that can go in the dishwasher as well. And then this is the motor head, has a nice long cord that you just plug in. Up top are 2 speeds, so you have the lowest speed and the highest speed that we offer in our hand blenders, and you just adjust that with this little dial up here at the top. So inside here, it's a DC motor. So it's a really powerful, long-lasting motor that's quieter and more lightweight. So you just snap the 2 pieces together and it locks into place. To operate, you just press on this soft grip here, just tapping to pulse or holding it down for continuous motion. So that is speed 1. And then you can hear the difference there for speed 2. So when you want to make a cauliflower puree or puree a soup, you can reach right down into the pot, and it really helps you control the texture, whether you want to puree it all the way smooth or whether you want to leave it a little bit chunky. And this patented pan guard here comes off. That's BPA-free, dishwasher safe. And then sometimes you don't need to use that, like when you're making a smoothie here in the blending jar, and you would just go ahead and do that. So that is our KitchenAid 2-speed hand blender, also called an immersion blender. And it's nice and simple, and you can actually pop everything into the jar here and just tuck it away in a cabinet. It's nice and compact and simple and easy to use. Pop in the lid there, and you're good to go.